Welcome to A1 Healthcare YouTube channel. Excessive yawning. What are the reasons behind them? It's also perceived as being tired or bored when someone yawns repeatedly. Yawning is the way the body responds to decreased levels of oxygen, which is directly related to levels of energy. The body takes in increased amounts of oxygen than normal breathing does and helps the person feel energized and awake by yawning. That is also the case when you're exhausted or lazy or even bored down, just not in your interests. This is also a well-known fact that yawning is infectious, and that in a group of yawns, other people do too much, sometimes involuntarily. It is also believed that yawning cools the temperature of the brain. If she is yawning more than once per minute, a person is said to be excessively yawning. This can be an indicator of the underlying medical condition and also requires treatment if there is an ongoing problem. What is also important is to look for associated symptoms that may indicate an underlying problem. For instance, people with insomnia can be yawning in excess and also have sleep disturbances, reduced energy levels, lack of concentration and attention, etc. Here are 5 reasons behind excessive yawning. These are: Number 1. Cool temperatures. When in a cold place, a person yawns in an effort to take in more oxygen and keep themselves warm. Number 2. Sleep disturbances. With work hours stretching beyond the norm and screen time increasing, most people's sleep patterns have changed and there is no fixed sleep-wake cycle. This often causes daytime sleepiness, tiredness, difficulty focusing, and lack of attention. While this can be a temporary issue, it can become a chronic issue too. The person should be made to keep a sleep diary and correct the sleep timings. Number 3. Seizures. Mild forms of seizure can present as sleepiness, as indicated by excessive yawning. Sometimes, the seizure may get self-arrested, and sometimes it may blow into a full-blown seizure. Number 4. Depression and anxiety. Whether a person is anxious or depressed about something, the heart rate, breathing, and stress levels are altered. This keeps the person awake at night and also makes him/her yawn excessively during the day. Both anxiety and depression also do not let a person sleep normally, thereby further increasing the yawning. The medications used for treating these conditions also induce yawning. Number 5. Heart problems. The vagus nerve runs from the base of the brain to the torso and further down, and if stimulated, this can cause excessive yawning. This condition is known as vasovagal reaction, where the nerve is hyperactive, causing a drop in the heart rate and breathing. This, in turn, increases yawning in an effort to pump in more oxygen and increase these 2 parameters. Heart attacks also present with excessive yawning. Excessive yawning, though harmless, can sometimes be indicative of a more serious underlying condition. So, if a person is yawning excessively for a long time, it should not be ignored. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.